Yes, so by the end of this video, you will see how I came up with this model meant for you to practice how to do your SolidWorks exercise. It's isometric model. Yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. Yes, let's look at how to come up with this isometric drawing in SolidWorks. Once again, my name is Benjamin. So I already have a SolidWorks part created, and we begin the sketch on the front plane. So let's see. I'll begin with this side, having the 130 mm dimension. I'm assuming the units are in millimeters. So focus on this. Okay, pick a rectangle. Dimension, it's 130. And the height, let me put the image nearby. The height is 100, which is this. And then the top, which is looking like a castle, we cut through. You have something like this. It's 24. The gap is 38. So I'm going to trim this gap. 38. So using trim entities, I trim this. And could say dimension of 80. So we can find out this one from here up to there. It's 80. And we have this 48. You can rule that one out for now. This is 100. 48 is the cut. And this is 24. That means we do have this arc. Which is aligning in this. And that arc is 24. So dimension this 24, and we trim this. So this is collinear, and that is collinear. Then this is a collinear relation. and this dimension is 20. Bring the image and you see what I've been doing. So taking the 100 and we have this which is 20. Radius of 24, this dimension of 20, and this is 130. So we do have the extrusion. This is 40, and we can first draw this 20. So I can put this there and go back to my design. So let me put the 20. Is here, this. Can cut this. Draw the 25. Okay. And now we can extrude. So this is 80. mm. Go back to the picture. We add the second sketch region. Okay, we can leave that. Yeah, it was just demarcation. We can draw it from here. So now we do have the top plane we can use from here. We have the arc, which is 40. This one, which is 40, and a hole of also diameter 40, but the arc is of radius 40. So let's add this and the hole. So make it normal 2. Normal 2. So we do add this radius of 40. Convert this entity and we extrude. Up to vertex. Choose this one. And then we add the hole diameter 40 in the center. Okay, let's see, the diameter is 40, but it's actually at the center. That means this stops there, then we get this center point, and we give a diameter of 40, like that. So it's going to be an extruded cut through all. Okay, let's see. Yes, diameter 40, radius 40, and now we can add the rib. So we can use the front plane, but let's come to this and make a reference point, reference geometry plane, pick the front, and then now let's use another. It's actually going to be the top plane. Yes, and we use it as a reference plane to draw a rib. And this is 25. But remember, we do have this distance of 48 where the rib starts from. So let's get that dimension from here. We can just draw a construction line, and then the dimension is 48, and that's where the tip of our rib is going to end. So this one goes there. And we are going to extrude by 10 mm mid plane. 10 mm mid plane. So we go to extrusion, mid plane, choose 10, and that is it. The next thing we're going to do is to remove this surface here. So choose this part as the plane. We mark it up. So we know the gap is 40 mm. Put 40. And this is 20. Even this is 20. Yeah, it has come direct, but we make the tip of this rib and this line collinear to each other, like that. So again, this is 40, this is 24 by 20. So this is what we are removing. So we are going with the extruded cut through all. Like that. Yeah, so that marks the end of the model. Okay, can hide this, smoothen. Yes, and that is it. Would have finished modeling that part. Yeah, you can see the rig, the arc, then the hole. Yes, thanks for watching. Let's try another one.